Hello everyone, welcome back to our tech tutorials. It is the right time for you to start a blog journey being a hobby writer, or a vendor who wants to promote his business products, or as a person willing to earn money online. In today's video I am going to show you how to create a free blogging website using your mobile phone and start earning money. If this is your first visit, please subscribe to this channel to get notified about our new updates. Firstly, open any of the web browser you have on your phone like Chrome or Opera. Head to the search bar and type in this address blogger.com, and then tap the search button. The next page is the dashboard of the blogger where you can create your free blog, and is forwards by Google just like YouTube and Play Store. To start creating your website, tap on Create Your Blog. In the next page, select the email address you want to use. If you don't sign in with the Google account, tap on Use Another Account and sign in before you proceed. Here I am going to create my blog using this email address I just selected. Then input your email password and tap Next. Once you are signed in, you will be redirected to the page where you will input your blog name. If it shows you like that, just tap the three lines at the top left corner and then tap Create Blog. Here you will write the title of your blog, which will always appear at the top of your web address. Tap Next, then choose your desired blog address. Your blog address will end with .blogspot.com. I advise you to choose the one that is short, memorable, and brandy. If the address is taken by another, you will see it is not available and can't be able to take it. You can include numbers in choosing your blog address. Once you choose, tap Save and wait for your new blog address to be processed. Now you successfully created a new blog, and you can start posting on it. Meet me in my next tutorial, in which I will be showing you how to make a post in your blog, which includes text, image, video, and link in a single post. We hope you enjoy this beautiful video. Please like and share for others to benefit.